Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I have got Wholesale Company 888 lots, or maybe this is Christmas gifts and I didn't know. We're getting 888 lots shipped sometimes from Amazon, and we're also getting Christmas gifts that we are ordering from Amazon. So I don't know, maybe we'll open up Christmas gifts. So we're going to see what's in all these boxes. I do know this is a wholesaler and this is definitely 888 lots. This is the mystery box. Let's find out what's in it. All right, mystery box first. Oh no, we have to have some suspense here. We're gonna do these because I know you guys have been clamoring for more of these because we sold out really fast of everything I think that's in this box. Ooh, we have new ones. So you're gonna be able to find all of these on hookedonpickin.com. This is a tower bridge. Look at that. 3D wooden puzzle.
That looks awesome. Oh, the bridge goes up and down.
Does it? It does. Okay, the product requires 3 pieces of batteries.
That is awesome.
So it actually moves.
It lights up. See the lights on it?
Yeah. So it uses an it says what kind of battery. It's probably one of those little because it doesn't have like a AA or AAA.
Like a watch battery.
It's probably one of those flat disc battery types. But that's cool.
We've never had one that lit up like this, too.
Yeah, that is
I wonder if the bridge goes up and down on its own, then.
Let's see. It says, load the battery.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
This is going to go well.
Yeah.
How many of this do I have?
Looks like... Ooh, we got a bunch.
Wonderful.
I think these are all it, too. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 10. All right. And then what's in these ones? So these usually have 2 different kinds in it. Try not to destroy the display here.
Sometimes they just put them in that box, though.
Yeah. Okay, these are all the same. Yep, just one kind.
The train. Train and the, was it the coal car?
Yeah.
Very nice. Look at the detail in that.
The cool thing about these is you do not have to use glue with
these. No glue needed.
Yes. Because that would drive me mad. Then you have to wait for it and all that stuff.
That is cool.
Okay. This one goes in here. We'll get those online. All right, these are all the Grand Prix car. Do we have that one?
Mm-hmm. Well, we've had it before.
Yeah, we'll have to replenish that.
I wonder how well these would work in a Pinewood Derby.
They're probably not the right size for the track.
Maybe, maybe not. I need to build one of these and even see. Because that'd be a sweet-looking car for the Pinewood Derby.
It would be.
We have that for Awanas.
We could just build this car for a fun display.
Yeah.
All right. Then we have the semi.
The semi. This one sells so fast for us.
This one is called Heavy Truck. So if you're looking for it, I think I actually also work the word semi in there.
I think so too. Cool looking truck.
Stack these back in here.
Were all of these bridges?
I think so. Let me look just to make sure.
Or double check, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, all those bridges?
Yep.
Great.
All right.
That'll be a fun one. Be a fun Christmas gift too.
Yes. All right.
Try to get all these puzzles and toys on there.
Yep. So you can go to Hooked on Pickin into the toy section and be able to find all those puzzles. Don't worry, we'll get to
hookedonpickin.com.
Hookedonpickin.com.
We are like Amazon, but like if Amazon was a very small, tiny
business
speck, that's what we are.
All right. What do we got here? These are gramophones.
Gramophones.
Not grandma.
Not grandma phones.
But gramophones.
Yep. Sweet.
Okay, and we have some
Turtles.
Do we have those online?
Yeah, I believe so.
All right.
I think all of this is either online or we will put it online.
Yeah, so you'll be able to find all of it.
But we were out of everything.
We were.
Every one of these. And I put these in the craft section.
As well. They're in Toys and Craft, I think.
Because they're hands craft. DIY craft supplies. That's why I put them there. You can put them in the toy section too. In the retail store, we have them in the toy section. And we don't have very many left, too. They sell really well.
Yep.
Because most of the time we sell them for $10. This one I think is even less than that.
Okay, this one.
Vintage camera. They're just a nifty little gift to pick up.
This one too.
The merry-go-round. That's cool. And a lot of them actually move.
Do they?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Usually all of them have pieces that actually move on them. I love this one. The airship. Every time I see this, it reminds me of that company we saw down at ASD Marquee that all they did was steampunk. Remember that?
Oh, yeah.
They had costumes and they had like little pistols and watches, and they had like a bicycle. It was, all of it was kind of themed like this. It was neat.
Airship.
So it was pretty expensive because almost every piece was unique. There wasn't a whole lot that was exactly the same. So right. I can imagine that being hard
to
do.
It has 2 different kinds in it. See how there's 2 lines of part number on there, kind of basically? So it'll be 2 different in this box.
The grand piano. This is one of our newer ones. Ferris wheel we've had for a while. It's neat too. We've actually had people contact you, Heather, about these wanting more.
Yes. Cinderella's carriage.
Beautiful. And you can paint these if you want to paint them.
Yeah.
I think they look good even not painted.
I think they do too. Okay, this just has 1 kind in it.
The hot air balloon. Sweet.
Puzzles, puzzles, and more puzzles. It's a very puzzling unboxing.
Oh, I see what you did there. Ow. She does all her sound effects.
Yep.
There's a different one.
That is a new one.
The drum kit.
Oh, we should save one of those back for a friend of ours.
Yes.
He needs that for Christmas.
I wonder, do you have to get like toothpicks to play it?
That'd be awesome.
That'd be sweet. A little drum kit. You can tell your kid I bought you your drums for Christmas.
Yep.
And give him that. Saxophone.
Our kids play the saxophone.
Yes, they do.
3 of them are going to be saxophone players because Lexi was the only one who didn't play the saxophone, but she's actually going to learn the big saxophone, the Barry sax, because she wants to play it in the jazz band. She played piano in the jazz band last year, but she was not a fan. She doesn't read music.
She did good.
She did great. I was very shocked. But there's another gal coming up that Lexi said she would just be way better. So she's just going to learn a new instrument.
Heather has musical talent. I have none. 0. Sailing ship.
And cruise ship.
We've got lots of boats. Neat. Very neat.
All right, perfect. All right, shall we go to this one or the mystery box? This one or the mystery box? This one. You're like, no, the mystery box. I want to see all the Christmas presents you bought for everyone.
It'll probably be open. It'd be like 1 item in that huge Amazon box.
It will be. Well, that's what Amazon does.
They have a lot of space left over in their boxes quite often. What is this?
Are these coats?
What is this?
These are coats. Did you order coats from 888 Lots?
Apparently I did.
All right, well, let's look.
I don't even remember doing this.
Is this an old box from the old warehouse, maybe? These are XXLs. No, this is a new box.
Yeah. Hey, coats will sell. Perfect time of the year for this.
We're going to put them on the fire sale, probably.
Yeah.
Or put them online.
It's Eddie Bauer, whoever that is.
That's a really nice, it's a thinner puffer jacket.
Yeah. That'd be a nice jacket.
It would be a nice
And
jacket.
which size did you say it was?
Extra, extra large.
It's great. That might be what I did. I might have tried to find
The
bigger sizes coats. I try to do that occasionally.
This one is...
Probably I ordered it at 1 in the morning.
This one's XL.
Didn't even remember.
He does do a lot of ordering at 1 in the morning.
Yep, sitting in my chair. That's a nice jacket. What brand is that one?
This one is kind of a generic-y brand, isn't it?
Generic?
Rolu, I guess?
Oh, they make the best jackets.
They
Those
do.
old Rolu.
But
Absolutely.
It's really soft.
It looks nice.
It is nice. So, and that's an extra large. Oh, wait. We have one in large, too.
There we go.
Oh, no, this is a totally different jacket.
Different jacket?
Yeah. I thought it was the same, but it's not. See?
We might be able to scan these and put them online.
Yeah.
It's got a little bit of a leopard
Yeah.
print inside. Is it all the way down that way?
Yeah.
Is that more of a generic brand? Yeah,
Yeah.
Rolu. But Rolu makes the best jackets.
They do. The best.
Rolu is probably a company that,
Private labeled on Amazon.
yeah, or
Here's another one of those.
they're
that I
the
just
company
showed.
that makes the coats that all the name brand people put their name on.
Yeah.
We've discovered that multiple times. Those are all the same size?
Yeah. They're all the size large. All right. What's this one?
It's a blue.
This one is the same company. This says 4XL.
4XL. Well, there you go.
I don't know that this is this a 4XL, really? Hold on. It does not look like 4XL.
Doesn't look like 4XL.
It says 4XL.
Maybe 2XL.
Well, probably. I'll try it on if it fits me.
Try it on now.
Okay. I could tell you then the size. It says 4XL, but maybe it's like 4XL women's cut or something. Because I don't think it's a 4XL.
Well, it could be like, you know how in Europe and in Asia there's different sizings? Could be that.
Okay, this is probably
Probably an extra large.
an extra large to a large.
Yeah. Well, we'll adjust that on the listing.
Yeah, we will. I'll try them all on and we can make sure we get the right women's
Yeah.
sizes on them.
But I bet you that Eddie Bauer is the right size at least.
That one looks like it was a 2XL.
Yeah.
So this 4XL is not a 4XL. It's probably more like a large to an extra large.
Yeah.
I would say it's an extra large women's cut is how I would describe it.
Probably.
All right, this is the same size, I believe. Yep. I just stepped on one of those bubble pop things. Here's another one. Yeah, it's the same size. Oh wait, it says, I think it says 4XL to 1XL or something like that. Anyway, we'll put the right size on there. And then we have one more style in here.
So it could be a 1XL.
It could be.
That's what it probably is, I bet.
Yep. Okay, this one, trying to see if it says the size right off the bat, but I don't see. I'll bring it over here.
Is that all the jackets?
Yeah, that
All
was
the
all.
jackets? Well, that's perfect timing.
Yeah. This one says it is a size 18, and that looks like a size 18.
What's the brand?
Mountain Warehouse.
Ooh,
But this one's much thicker.
yeah.
Probably for more.
For climbing mountains.
It's probably got a.
Well, it feels nice, though.
Yeah, this one's a size. Oh, here. Look, it's got a.
For negative 40 degrees?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's down-filled. See? It even has a little. Look, it's down-filled. It's got a little. Packet
Neat.
of that. Yeah, so this one is a size 18. So we'll probably post all these on Hooked on Pickin. You know.
Oh, if we can find pictures, if not, they'll probably be on the fire sale.
Yep. All right, so those are all of the different coats. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different styles. Well,
That was kind of a surprise in and of
Yeah.
itself.
Let's set down my. Oh, there it is. Can't believe I found my box cutter. I'm notorious for setting these down and never finding them again. We've probably got 20 box cutters hiding in this building that we don't know of.
They're everywhere.
Okay, mystery box. Will it be our Christmas presents or will it be 888 lots? Ooh, I think it's 888 lots. Good, it's stuff you guys can buy. Ooh, look. It's a baby monitor. Wireless digital video baby monitor.
Nice. You can always have your eye on your baby.
It's got a two-way talk on it.
You can talk to your baby.
Temperature detection.
Do you remember when
Night
we
vision.
listened to the baby monitor?
Yes, we used to listen to him just babble in the morning.
Yeah, that was fun.
Is that all that's in here? Hold on, let me look.
Now our babies aren't babies no more.
It says we have 18 of these.
18?
Yeah, and then we have this one of this. This is a ladies blues shirt for hockey. But it's a different
It's hockey
style.
season right now.
It's a tank top.
Boom.
So it's a size, let me find the size real fast. Size large.
Well, that'll sell around here.
Yep.
We're right close to St. Louis.
Yeah. All right, so that's what's in this unboxing. If you go to hookedonpickin.com, you'll be able to find all of these items. We're definitely going to list the baby monitor too, since we have 18 of them. So
You can keep your eye on lots of stuff besides babies.
you could.
It plays a lullaby.
Does it? It does a
Has
lullaby.
Night, day, infrared.
Guys, a battery thing.
Sweet.
That's cool. All right. So you can find all these things on hookedonpickin.com. Just run over there and find them. And I'm not sure what category we're going to put this in. Try home and kitchen.
Probably.
But all the other the puzzles will be either in craft or toys, and then the coats obviously will be in clothing. So you can find all that stuff on hookedonpickin.com. We have been replenishing a lot of the toys that we've had on there previously. A lot of our toys that we replenish, we buy from a specific company, and instead of doing an unboxing of all those little itty-bitty toys, we've just been replenishing them. So if you've been on the lookout for some of our stocking stuffer toys, check out Hooked on Pickin' because they're already online. We didn't do an unboxing of them. There'll be like the squishies and the, you know, like these kinds of things, the micro flyers. This is really cool. Build little wooden planes. Micro fun flyers. Things like that. Unicorn growing eggs.
And Thursday we have a huge pallet to unbox.
Yes, so you'll have a really fun unboxing on Thursday. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the fire sale yesterday, and we'll have a fire sale tomorrow at 12:30 Central Standard Time. You can go to the Facebook page and find the link there, or you can just go straight to YouTube around 12:30 Central Standard Time. We usually make it live so you can sit kind of in the queue about 30 minutes prior to the actual sale starting. That way you're not late. So thanks so much for joining us for this unboxing. Hopefully you guys had an awesome Thanksgiving. We did. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.